Yeah, the roof size.
The roof is bigger. The roof is on all edges bigger.
Ah.
I don't have the exact for that. It's the small one, and this line is the big one. The difference between the small one and the big one, apart from the lines, is the small one has a wooden beam here and a wooden beam there. The big one has a wooden beam here, a wooden beam there, and a wooden beam there. It has extra wooden beam.
But look, if we have the small one, just this one is super tight.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. So you want the big one, then you have this one.
Yeah.
Then you put it like so. So you want the big one?
Yeah, the big one.
Yeah, but this is...
Pangatlong vlog na ito ba? Ay, nakadalawang vlog man ako kahapon. Nandyan siya sa vlog. Ngayon, andito pa rin. Gawin ko na. Good morning! I told you you have your clothes here. What do you want for breakfast?
Black.
Grilled cheese, toasty.
Toasty, yes.
Toasty daw, Papa. Start na ang mister ko. Yan kasi ang gawain niya, oh. Sa kanya yan, guys. Ang mga medyas at saka panty. Bread? We still have bread. Si Daniel, marami tayong dyan, upusan. No, that's for the later, baby love, okay? May bago pala akong lipstick. Tingnan nyo, kaganda. Ng kanyang shade. I love it. Very, very, very nude. Diba? Ito po yung the Velvet Teddy ng MAC. So, yun na nga. Sa nakita po ninyo sa vlog. Yung isang nagpa-baby na. Ano man to? Kita nyo sa vlog, sa ating umpisa ng vlog, nakapag-decide na po kami ang kukunin po natin yung mas malaki at ilalagay ko dyan yung drawing, no. Pero hindi pa yan natin agad-agad na makuha dyan, na order sila ngayon, andyan na pagkabukas kasi hintayin pa yung order nila, guys. Mag-message lang yun sila. Pero mamaya tawagan natin kay para nga sabihin na kung ano yung na-decide natin dyan, at baka pupunta sila dito kay para din. Nilagyan ng chalk ni Daniel. Kahapon ba yun? O nung isang araw siguro. Para makita ko ba kung gaano siya kalaki. Nag-ano po kami doon, nagsukat-sukat. Tumakbo pa si Daniel sa store, guys, para bumili ng bagong bread para fresh yung bread natin. Look at that, look at that. Wow, yummy. Kain na muna siguro ako bago tayo magtupi-tupi, no? Meron tayong rice. Away na silang mag-ama. Meron din po tayong mushroom. Meron tayong kimchi. So, mag-kimchi rice ako with mushroom. And then, yung ating sama. Inis lang na tayo dito, guys. Habang busy pa po kami sa paggawa ng breakfast. Yeah. Magtulong din daw siya, oy. That's too high, I think.
En dan, kijk, zet je die open. Ga maar op een krukje staan.
Sige, lagay mo doon.
Zo. Ben je erbij of net niet? Net
Oh, net.
Net niet. Do you want coffee later?
Good.
I'm not making coffee right now, but after this.
Yeah. And this one? Yan ang pamilya, guys. Tulungan. Doon. Saan nilagay yan? Doon. So, it's done. See? Tapos natin to. And yung ating mushroom. At syempre, binyagan natin yung bagong nabili. Look, baby love, I also have an apron. Wow! No, for mama, because mama needs this when I'm cooking, huh? You see that? Chef mom!
Needs to be here.
Yeah, but you can tie it. Yeah, chef mom. Because mama will cook and I don't want any oils on my shirt because that's not good. Kadami kong damit na ganyan, guys. Mga oil sa damit. Kapangit tingnan ba? Kaya ngayon ko lang talaga na-realize na kailangan talaga natin pag nagluluto, lalo ng mga prito-prito, mga gisa-gisa, mag-apron talaga. Kaya nasasayang ang damit. Yes. Toasty for...
It's too hot.
Oh, it's too hot. Then you need to wait.
It's still very hot.
I'll get you something to drink. Yes? Now try it again. You also want ketchup?
No, please.
Okay. Ang tatay
Hot,
din.
hot is too hot.
Oh, sorry. No, I will help you. That's how you eat it with ketchup. Look, oh. Papa, oh. You want to try with ketchup? Dip it with papa sauce. No. Yummy? Gawa na ako ng akin para may energy tayo bago tayo maglinis ng bahay. All the mushrooms in the world. And lalagay tayo. Kunti na lang pala itong kimchi ko. Itong labi. Kuyawang ladar na ito. Magbili tayo ng kimchi. Ay, ubos na siya. Lalagay din po tayo ng gochujang. Nangamoy kimchi na ako dito, guys. Araw-araw ba naman mag-kimchi? Super funny. Today was the upload about the last time that I was very mad at you. About something that you lost and then you were looking, you know, like that, but the stuffs. And then now, a lot of the wives are... That's their problem daw with their husband. And a lot of comments, mahal. Like Hazel Ganot, she said, it's good that Daniel is saying sorry to you. My mister will not ever do that, even if it's his fault. Also, someone saying that, oh, it's very timing, your vlog today. That's also my problem with my husband. And he's also European.
Papa.
And this one is this one.
Papa, please you flopper.
But someone is on your side. And you know, he was saying that I am wrong because I did not really ask. That's why I did not know like that. Then you got mad. And you know, what is he? He's a mister. He's a husband. So he's with you. Sana all. Only one.
Oh, mahal. If we're talking about this anyway, then we should also be talking about how when you say stuff, ano kuan, and then you expect me to know what it is. And then Rika was saying, right, that, no, it's very logical. I always know what Garnet's talking about.
And yeah, because Vika is also like that.
So yesterday, you said that again, ano kuan. And then Vika said, like, what do you mean? And then I said, no, you're a woman, you should know. And then she said, oh, it's about the garden. No, wrong. So I am right.
That's what he doesn't like about us, me and Vika, because when we say things like, did you see the ano? Did you see the this one? Like that.
Yeah, because you do like this. We are just here, and then suddenly we start cooking together.
Yeah.
And then you say, yeah, and the ano. And then it's not about cooking. No, it's about maybe some ex-boyfriend that you had 5 years ago, like that.
And then, my love, si Myla Mira Fuentes, also me and my husband super fighting this morning because he is asking where the stuffs are. This is the battle of wives and husbands.
She are fighting.
They are fighting because, baby love, you will be a husband also in the future.
You will know. They are fighting because if you have a wife, your wife will make sure that you cannot find anything that you want to find. They are always hiding your stuff.
And then, si Ma'am Susan Amelius po, that's how husband is. Get used to it because you will just have wrinkles if you stress yourself.
That's good, mahal. Good advice. Get used to it because you will just get the wrinkles.
Dami pong nakarelate na misis. Pero ito talaga si Sir Cesar, Mali naman kasi ang tanong mo, dapat kinlaro mo ang hinahanap niya. Sabi mo kasi hindi mo alam, Ikaw talaga, sir, ha? Ikaw talaga, ha? You're at my husband's side, ha? So, what do you want to show me? Film daw before I look. In 3, 2, 1. Wow, mahal! Wow!
It's a high desk.
Yeah, high desk. This was the old table that was here. This one is new. Binili niya po to 15 euros. Ano po to siya? Ano yan? Second hand. Tingnan niyo, ginawa ni Daniel. It was not like this.
No,
But
it was until here. And it was from here till here. So this is longer also.
Yeah, and look what he did here. Wow! Para magamit yung ano doon. Wow! I'm so proud.
Yeah, Kiro.
Sige na, magkain na ako. I'm so proud of my husband, guys. He's carpenter now, really. Bye! Luto na din yung aking salmon. Maglaro daw sila, kaya excited ang Nathan. Kaya sinabihan siya ni... Wala kasi ang pasok today, study day po nila. Sinabihan po siya ni Daniel na pagkatapos ipakita sa akin ng tatay niya sa taas, pwede na silang maglaro. Salmon. Kain everyone. Pagpasensyahan nyo na muna yung itsura ni Inday Garnet, guys. May na tayo magpaganda. Wow. Sarap. Magbasa-basa pa tayo, guys. Sabi ni Tita Lalaine, Tita Lalaine Bergontes, gusto ko ang vlog mo ngayon, Day. Ang cute yung pinapakita mo kung paano kayo magtampuhan ni Dodong Daniel. Si Roma Flores, relate much, Inday. Same sa mister ko. Hindi na nga ako tulungang mag-ayos. Hanapan pa ako ng mga nawawalang gamit na hindi ko din alam saan niya tinago. Kaya never na ako nag-ayos ng gamit ni mister. Kanya-kanya na kami ng ayos ng gamit. Kaso hindi din matiis kapag nakita ko makalat, linisin din ng misis. Daming nakarelate ba? Inday Garnet, ako pag ginalit ng mister ko, ako ang nananapak. Wow, sana all. Grabe ang bahay ko. Oh. Mahal, you know? Someone said here, Inday Garnet, if my mister will be making me mad,
Yeah.
she will do this daw. Nananapak daw si ma'am. You want me to do that to you? Shock ang mister ko, guys. We don't do physical things here, ma'am.
We do a lot of physical things here.
Like what? Hello. Ibang physical things siya, guys. Mahal. Rosel Flor said, me, you know what I do to my husband? If that happens, I'm telling him, give me money if I will find the stuff that you are looking for.
Oh, that's fine. That's no problem. The problem is that you don't find the stuff that I'm looking for.
Grabe, uy. Maganda din na ano yan, that's a good idea.
You need to be happy with me. Because I apologize.
Yes. Yeah, that is what I'm proud of you, mahal. You apologize. And I am apologizing too if I know that it's my fault. But if it's not, even if your eyes will get white, I will not apologize. Now I know what to answer you if you are asking me something, Someone commented. From Maria Elizabeth Trazares. I am like that too, Inday. If he will ask me something, I will tell him, go find it to where you put it. And this one, Inday Lan, normal for the guys like that, Inday. Based on my experience. Maglaro na sila, guys. Pabayaan natin ang mag-ama ko. Unahin ko yung mga damit, tapos dito tayo, no? Meron pa nag-comment, nakapag-shoutout tuloy tayo today. Si Tita Nilda Fanvid. Ang husband ko nga, bibig ang naghahanap ng mga bagay, hindi mata. Kaya sure, good, na may award siya sa akin. Si Daniel naman, ang palagi kong sinasabi sa kanya, ang naghahanap ang ilong niya. Yan din ang sinasabi ko sa kanya, guys. Kaya kahit nasa, nasa harap niya na, sabi pa saan-saan, 5 minutes niya pa bago makita na sa harap niya na. Ngayon, high blood na naman ako ba?
Deze? Ja. Dat is geen fontein. Kijk, dit is gewoon een...
What is that, baby love? Tell us.
Play park.
Oh, an attraction park. And what do you do in there?
We built the attraction park.
Nag-comment si Tita Susan Sidlakan. Naku, Inday, kami lang dalawa dito sa bahay namin. Pareho kaming senior. Pag may nawalan sa kanya, ako agad ang suspect. Minsan natatawa ako ang diin ng bintang sa akin. Tapos siya rin ang nakakakita. Laging ganun, kainis. Ano ito, hanggang sa mag-senior kami ni Daniel? Ganyan ang problema ko? Magka-wrinkles talaga tayo ng marami. Madami na ba yan siya, oh? Kaya siguro nagkaka-wrinkles ako ba dahil dyan? This comment is making me afraid. Huh? They're both senior, and since they were together, that's her problem with the husband. So until I am senior, you will do this to me?
Always.
Isa po ito sa bagong damit ko. Tingnan nyo yan, mantika. Kita niyo yan, parang basa dyan. Mantika po yan. Kakabili lang. Sabi ka, bad trip. Basahin natin to lahat itong mga nakarelate dito. Si Tita Lady Charlotte Ang, same sis Inday Garnet. Sila nagtabi, tayo tanungin. Tapos pag hindi natin hinahanap, tayo ang awayin. Diba? Tapos si Dang Florazana, relate much Inday Garnet. Ang mas lala pa, pinapahanap mo na at mismong nasa harap niya, di pa rin makita kahit tukain na siya ng ahas. Walay pa din makita. Andito na si Tita Gloria Sabi pa ni Tita Gloria, yes, ganyan din ang asawa ko. Hinahanap sa akin bagay na hindi ko alam at di niya rin alam kung ano-ano ang pangalan na sabihin niya yung ano. Puro di masabi niya. Mabait ka pa nga kasi minuto lang binati mo na. Ako hindi. Araw ang binibilang ko na hindi ko siya kinakausap. Minsan, umaalis ako nang di niya alam. Maglalakad ako sa kalsada ng Los Angeles. Minsan, mag-over ako. Bahala siya gamitin ko credit card. Siya din naman ang magbabayad. Idol. Pero sana all sa Los Angeles nagtatampo.
Mahal? Are you still reading comments about misters? Are you still reading comments about misters?
Yeah, why?
Cannot move on?
No, because I'm reading what they are, they are feeling about their husbands. You know, someone is telling me, Tita Gloria, you know what she told me? I'm very kind to you because just 5 minutes, just minutes that you said sorry, I already forgiven you.
Mahal, it shouldn't be just minutes. It should be seconds.
She goes walking to the Los Angeles. I said, sana all.
Oh, yeah, sana all. You go walking to the Los Angeles.
And then she will use the credit card and the husband will pay. Be careful with your credit card. Maybe I will lose that too. She gave me idea. Ay, nanonood ako guys. Kaganda nito. Not sponsored. As You Stood By. Maganda masyado. Ano po siya? Korean series. One down. Dito na naman tayo Ayusin ko yung mga brief niya tsaka mga panty ko. Pero yung mga socks, siya po yan. Kaya magsakit ang ulo ko guys. Maghanap ng mga partner. Mga niya. Mga medyas. Ako na lahat ang nag-fold. Kaya tingnan nyo, ilang piraso lang pala. 4 lang pala. Puro pala yung panty. At mga boxer. Mahal, this is how much I love you. I did your job because you are forgiven. Okay na. Malinis na po tayo dito May isa tayong brief na itatapon. Brief ng mister ko. Dito na naman tayo. Dito na naman tayo, guys. Tulong! Pala dito. Inday Garnet, bakit naka-apron ka pa din? Hayaan nyo. Kay masaya masyado ako sa desisyon ko sa buhay. Ngayon lang ako nag-apron, guys. Maglaba tayo, kay ayaw ko ng ganito ang itsura ng gisrong ko, Isa lang ang nakasampay, ayaw ko ng ganyan, hindi ako sanay. Kaya maglaba po tayo. Unahin ko po itong puti. Puti ito lahat. Para mga, ano na yan dyan, mga 5 months na. Okay, kunti lang puti namin guys. Alam nga naman, maglaba ako na, 3 pa lang siya, labhan na agad. Kaya inuumbo ko na muna ang mga puti. Katagal na talaga nito, hanggang sa napuno siya. Ngayon natin siya labhan. Hindi pa po tayo tapos sa mga pagbabasa natin. Ha? Basahin ko lahat ng mga message nyo dyan. Ha? Kaya gusto ko yung nakaka-relate kayo ba? Sa mga problema po natin sa buhay-buhay. Kaya pala mabigat siya. Oh. Dahil yung ating mga sweater at coat andito din. Ito naman, ito trabaho to ni Daniel. Pag mga beddings, ganun, siya po yan. Oo, may kanya-kanya po kaming designated work ng mister ko. Gusto ko yung napaparating nyo din yung mga naramdaman nyo. Kaya kala ko ako lang. Alam nyo, dati, nung wala pa si Nathan, para kung tanga. Yung unang-una, bago-bago pa lang ako dito. Bari, kaya, kakasama pa lang po namin ni Daniel. Lalo na dati kay very sensitive ako. Kaya diba sabi ko, ano po yan sila masyado. Very direct. Oh, alam nyo nung ginagawa ko. Pag mapunta ako sa, sa trabaho, tanungin ko yung mga katrabaho ko. Nag-aaway din ba kayo ng mister nyo? Kasi mas grabe ako noon. Very sensitive ako ngayon. Kaya na-immune naman sa pagka-direct ng mga Dutch. Pero pag bago ka lang dito, kahit tanungin ako ng asin, ma-hurt ako. Wala na tayong asin? Hurt? Uy! Yan ang kainisan ko dati. Ano yung nakita mo na wala ng asin? Ano nga naman, nilanlan ko yan. Kinain ko lahat. Di na UTI ako nun. Nagkasakit tayo sa bato, kaya inubos ko yung asin. Diba? Bakit ka mamang tanong? Nakita mo na nga naubos na. Hindi kayo mabad trip niyan. Nanginis ako pag tinatanong ako pag ubos na. Kita mo na ubos na, tanungan ka pa. Ang ibig sabihin mo dyan, kinain ko yan lahat. Ganyan ako dati. Pero ngayon wala. Wala tayong ganyan-ganyan siya. Wala na, immune na si Intay Garnet, guys. May masabi lang yan siya ng kunti. Dati, ay ma-hurt agad ako. Pero ngayon, iba na. Immune na. Ang damitan ko dito, nakalat na naman. Ganda ba? Ito ng mga nakaraang araw. Pero laban pa rin guys. Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig, mahal man. Kaya tingnan nyo, ang biyanan ko, walang mister. Pero mahal ko ang mister ko guys. Ayaw ko din na wala akong mister. Pero perfect ng mister ko. Basta wag niya na ako hanapan ng mga ubos na at ng mga gamit niya na kung saan niya nilagay. Para hindi ako mabadtrip, para hindi ako magka-wrinkles. Tingnan si Bianan, ayaw niya na mag-boyfriend, ayaw na mag-asawa. Kaya ang niya, may pa daw, magdagdag pa siya ng alagain. Imbis ngayon, sarili niya lang ang nalagaan niya. Diba? Magdagdag pa siya ng sakit sa ulo. Pero kaya gusto man natin ng sakit sa ulo, tiis ganda. Halika! We marites each other. Do you want to marites with Mama? How can I help you?
You will make my lunch.
What?
Lunch.
Lunch? Lunch?
Lunch.
You will make my lunch. You want lunch now? You have this one. Look, and I will make you some fruits. This one is the croissant with chocolate inside. Yummy! And then I will make your fruits. Okay? How can I help you? You will make my lunch. Tama nga naman siya. Lagyan natin siya ng kanyang grapes.
I like pepper.
You don't like bell pepper?
What's the pepper? Cucumber.
You also want cucumber?
No, not paprika. Cucumber.
Okay. Mamaya na lang ito for snack. Yes? Ito naman, yung pina-take out ni Bianan, ilagay ko na muna to sa freezer. Kay iba ang ni-request ni Daniel for dinner po namin mamaya. No? Yung bami to na binigay sa amin ni Bianan, kaya nagluto po siya kahapon. Doon kami nag-dinner. Ano yung cellphone ko? Hindi pa tayo tapos. Dito. Last 3. Nabasahin po natin. Kaya nag-comment ito din idol ko. Si Tita Cheryl Ting Ocampo. appear tayo dyan. Tapos pag di natin nahanap, tayo ang may sala. Kaya gawa ko, mag-walk out ako hanggang ma-realize niya na mali siya. Nakaka-high blood yung ganun. Kaya gawa namin, gamit mo, ligpit mo. Wala akong paki sa gamit mo. Huwag mo din pakialaman ng gamit ko para walang away. Everybody happy. Idol. Ako hindi ako nag-walk out. Mahirap mag-walk out dito, guys. Mahirap magtampo, tapos maglabas-labas ka ng bahay. Kalamig! Tapos wala kang matambayan. Kaya, no choice ka. Dito ka. Dito ka magtiis ka sa inis mo. Si Tita Weng's life, same die. Pag may nawala, tayo ang may kasalanan. Bakat itinapon daw. Kapag may nasira, tayo din ang may kasalanan. Ang mga gamit na kinuha, hindi ibalik sa pinagkunan. Kaya ang bahay parang binagyo. Tapos si Marisa Romeral, naghahanap ng masisisi. Relate much. The wife is always right. So guys, ito pa si Ma'am Kasiana Gutierrez, Inday Garnet, Mr. ko, nakatatlong eyeglasses na, winawala. Tapos sa akin nahanapin yung isa. Nakita ko sa taniman niya ng gulay. Yung isa nawala during biyahe namin. Yung isa, ewan ko po, nakakatalaga. Ganyan ka din? Ha? Ganyan ka din pag mag-mister ka na? Ha? You will be like that when your husband?
Yes.
Boy, finish na! I don't want! Don't be like that when you are husband. Magsugay na, magsugay.
Pupi-pu. Pupi-pu. Pupi-pu.
Ay! Hindi kita bigyan. So guys,
thanks for watching. Enjoy. I love you. Say more.